What you doing? Covering a Labour Party conference? What do you have for me?
Well, sir, I was at a conference, but I decided to wear a Jamaica shirt.
Well, if that comforts you, if that's your story, stick to it.
Sir, I'm matching orange tops as well.
So, they say Jamaica as well?
Yes, they do, sir.
Okay, good. I just want to remind you that we are neutral.
And I also want to remind you as well, sir, that the assignment that you gave me is to be an investigative journalist. And I also have to be a job.
Well, next time we're blue. All right.
Okay, sir. Well, you might want to take a look at this.
And what am I looking at?
Well, it is suspected that they were handing out fertilizers in Carrington as enticement.
Aye, sir. Looks like the political process has finally gone to shit. But this don't help us unless we have absolute proof that this is what's happening. Like the gentleman who drew him gun on somebody because of an altercation the other day was said to be buying votes. But at the end of everything, when the smoke cleared, I hear him buying goats.
I know about that, sir. I was the one that recorded it as well.
Your talent with videography is beyond question. But I need more evidence. I want bites of the week.
Do you never watch news?
Excuse me?
Sir, I share your views.
I can even it up, you know. Just remember, it's 2 shoulders you have. I don't want to send you out of here lopsided.
Sir, I'm quite okay.
Wow. This is superb.
Thanks.
Oh, by the way, me did mention it? Them colors really look nice on you.
George, you know, I never know say you must see.
Let's see.
Now, this Carlton thing and getting close to Tony. What's happening?
Well, sir, I was promised a double date, but it hasn't materialized yet. And as you could tell, that's the only way I could get close to Tony without it looking suspicious.
So I take it you have a plan. Or you better have a plan.
So my plan is to, well, since we have a double date and I'm passionate about low income houses, I think I'd get him speaking and getting me more involved in the projects that they have coming up.
Interesting approach. But based on what I've surmised, Tony's not interested in low income houses. He's interested in major projects. So the only way I think you can get him into your area of passion is to find a way to make low income housing look like something he can make big profit out of.
I'm sure I can do that.
We need to put a little more urgency to this because it is imperative that we discover whether or not they're involved in the devaluation of the land so that they can get the property cheap.